Apple just admitted their AI wasn't good enough. At WWDC yesterday, they announced a bombshell: Apple Intelligence is getting a new brain, and it's made by Google. Apple spent years telling us privacy matters most, that AI should run on your device, not in the cloud. And today? They threw all that out the window and put Gemini inside your iPhone. Here's why that's actually great news for you. Here's the cold truth: on-device AI just isn't good enough. Yet. Think of it like this: Apple's local AI model is like having a microwave in your kitchen. Convenient, sure. But you can't cook a real meal in it. Gemini is a full commercial kitchen. It can handle anything. Apple watched their own users get frustrated. The new Siri still couldn't answer basic questions. Meanwhile, people were installing ChatGPT and Gemini apps on their iPhones anyway. So Tim Cook made the call: stop pretending. Use the best tool available. Even if it's made by your biggest rival. Samsung did this a year ago. Xiaomi too. Apple was the last holdout. So what does this mean for you, the person just trying to get work done? It means we are in a golden age of AI choice. No single model rules them all. Each has superpowers. Gemini, the multimodal king. Text, images, video, audio, code, all in one model. GPT, the creative writer. Blog posts, scripts, clever captions, GPT leads. Claude, the deep thinker. Reads an entire novel in one go. Phenomenal at coding. The most safety conscious. Grok, the unfiltered one. No guardrails, real-time Twitter access. DeepSeek, the value king. Open source, dirt cheap, shockingly good at reasoning. None of these is the best. They are the best at different things. And that is the key insight. Here is your cheat sheet. Screenshot this. Writing, brainstorming, creative work, Claude or GPT. Reading long documents, summarizing videos, Gemini. That million-token context window is no joke. Coding, debugging, DeepSeek or Claude. Best price-to-performance ratio. Translation, DeepSeek or Gemini. Multilingual beasts. Real-time search, unfiltered chat, Grok. Images and video generation, Gemini. Native multimodal. The rule is simple: don't marry one AI. Build a toolkit. Different jobs, different tools. Apple just did something very un-Apple. They admitted someone else does it better. And they acted on it. If even Apple can swallow their pride and switch tools, you can too. Stop asking which AI is best. Start asking which AI is best for this job.